What's up, guys? It's your boy Ofentse Ledwaba back again with another video. As you know, guys, I try to keep on making research and making sure that you guys get much more valuable information. So you need to understand that whenever I give out information, is basically for a free purpose. And also, you guys, if you like to learn from me directly, please click on the link below, visit our website. The website is amazing. It's user friendly and you can actually make payment on the website. So basically today, guys, I'll be explaining and tackling this main topic of why most traders blow their Nasdaq accounts. First of all, I'd like to bring this to you. If you are a new trader, please try by all means not to use Nasdaq as your first index to trade. So basically what I'm trying to emphasize is that learn to trade pairs first. Once you can be able to manage your emotions and your psychology part trading the currencies, you'll basically be able to trade the Nasdaq. It's not that trading Nasdaq is difficult, but what I'm trying to say is that Nasdaq is very much volatile and it tends to limit your capabilities. With that being said, you start trading the Nasdaq and then you blow account, and it will most likely make you not to stay in the game for long because you don't have the adequate experience. So what I'm trying to say is that why most people blow their Nasdaq accounts is because people over leverage or people deposit small amount. You understand? Many people will deposit $100, or in South African rands they can deposit 500 rands. You get to understand that you can only be able to put one trade or one order. The minute you start adding more others, it simply means you are putting your account at risk and you stand a higher chance of blowing your account. And blowing an account is not good because I've been there myself. I know that it demoralizes you, it demotivates you, and you end up thinking that this trading is not for you, but only because you are not following your proper risk management. The secret in forex trading is you need to be able to stay in the game for long. Hence, there's a saying that says the forex market takes the money from the impatient and gives it to the patient. So basically what I'm trying to say, you can have the skill, you can have the strategy, but as long as you're not emotionally aligned, as long as you are still attached to the charts emotionally, you'll basically lose trades. Because what will happen, you'll start losing trades and you start to do revenge trading. Managing your psychology is one of the biggest factors, because you need to understand that whenever you lose a trade, you are able to step back and say, okay, let me go back to a drawing board, let me rectify my mistakes. So with that being said, learn to understand the Nasdaq before you can even start to trade it. First of all, what I would advise is for you, before you can go to Nasdaq, make sure you can be able to manage the volatility that happens on gold. You understand? Because you must understand that gold at most times it can move 100 to 200 pips per day. You understand? It moves much more volatile than currencies. Make sure you are able to handle the volatility on these pairs, which are very much strong. GBP JPY, GBP AUD, GBP USD. The minute you can be able to manage those pairs that I mentioned, you'll be ready to trade the Nasdaq, because you must understand that the volatility happens, and also the volatility happens because of the news. You understand? Trading Nasdaq, you trade it the same way you are trading currencies, but there's a key factor that you need to remember. It moves very much quicker and in so much pips that in a day Nasdaq can at most move between 100 to 300 pips. You understand? So you need to be aware of those movements. So sometimes it tends to move 300 plus pips. You understand? So learn to understand the movements that are happening between the pairs before you get into index trading. What I would really like to advise you is also put it in your trading plan. start trading it on a demo, because you must also remember that you don't need to stay in a demo for longer, because staying in a demo trading account for longer makes you have unrealistic rewards. Like for instance, you'll have a demo trading account with a deposit of $10,000. Are you in a position to deposit $10,000? You must ask yourself those questions and answer them honestly. If you're gonna start your demo trading account with $10,000, you should be in a position that whenever you are comfortable and you are happy with your trading profits or trading journey, you should be in a position to deposit $10,000. Why would you want to trade a demo that is $10,000, but then when you're going to deposit a real account, you're going to deposit $500? You see, it doesn't make sense. One or two needs to balance. You need to be able to practice your risk management. Always remember that you work your way up. Don't try to put your goals up there to the level that you say, okay, I'm going to turn this $100 into $10,000 in 1 week. You understand? Basically, that will at most put pressure on yourself. You start taking trades that are not high probability. You start taking trades for the sake of trading because you just want to reach your target, which is unrealistic. So learn to understand that the minute you start putting your imagination into perspective, it needs to be realistic. Once you have unrealistic thoughts, you start putting unrealistic trades, unrealistic lot sizes, which if a trade goes against you, you lose 10 to 30% of your account size. So basically ask yourself, you are trading, when you are making profit, you make 5 to 10% of your account size. But then when you lose something like 40%. So you see your risk management is not in place. You need to take trades that are 1:3 or more. That will definitely escalate your trading result, because it simply means that for every trade that you take, you are targeting 3 times more the profits as compared to your losses. You understand? So if you are saying, okay, I'm gonna risk $5 for this trade, it simply means that you're expecting to profit $15 or more, which is, if trade goes against you and the next trade wins, it basically means you've broke even and you've eventually made profit on top of recovering your losses. So learn to understand that whenever you are trading Nasdaq, you need to be aware that there are losses involved. Many people go into Nasdaq trading it because they see each and every trader on their social media just posting profits. Guys, there's so much that is happening in the background. Many people are blowing accounts, but they never speak out about it. You understand? So you're only seeing the positive side. You're not seeing the background that is happening when people are losing their trades. Learn to understand pairs before going into Nasdaq, which is what I've also done. I've gave myself time to understand Nasdaq, and I've came to realize that many people make a mistake of just jumping into Nasdaq without having prior information about the currency pairs, having prior information about the market structure, having prior information about the core strategy, because you need to understand that Nasdaq tends to move, and when it moves, you need to be aware of this. It leaves certain spikes, so you need to understand where Nasdaq tests the key levels. Whenever Nasdaq is preparing to go up, it will definitely shoot down first before it goes up. Yes, we do know that Nasdaq is an all-time uptrend, but between that uptrend, the market won't just shoot all the way up. It needs to retrace, and that's where you start buying your Nasdaq. And also you can be able to sell Nasdaq as well. You don't need to focus on one-sided movement and say Nasdaq is only trading buy, I'm only gonna be bullish on this. So learn to understand what is really happening in the forex market, how the market moves, what is the nature of the market. Hence, that is the reason why we teach market structured forex heroes. The forex heroes 2.0 is comprised of the core strategy, whereby you'll be able to analyze the market from a 6-day perspective with 4 years in the game. We've really evolved, and we're able to understand the market, how the market moves, where the market is supposed to retest. Is this a reversal? Is this a correction? You need to understand the types of corrections, whether you're having a reversal or you're having a continuation pattern. So those type of structures that you will learn at Forex will definitely assist you to become a full-time trader, a consistent and profitable trader. So make sure you do your homework. Make sure whenever you enroll for the Forex Heroes 2.0, you are dedicated. The Forex Heroes 2.0 covers Nasdaq and currencies all in one. It's an inclusive course. Is the best educational platform for you to understand the market online. So what I really advise you guys is that before you can even think about trading Nasdaq, do your own research. Understand what companies are within the Nasdaq. Simple fact that you need to understand: many traders, even experienced traders, still blow their accounts when they are trading Nasdaq because they over risk. Someone sees a setup and then they are saying, okay, fine, this setup, I'm gonna go all in. Then they blow the account. But the difference between you, a beginner, and them is that they're able to deposit immediately. They blow the account. So ask yourself, whenever you blow a $500 or $1,000 account, do you have the enough funds to go back into the broker and deposit again? Which is most trading gurus have ability to do. They blow the account, they deposit again. You understand? So you as a beginner, you need to trade with caution. Don't trade for the sake of trading. Don't trade to blow accounts. Don't trade to make 100% of your account balance with a single trade. Learn to work your way up. Compound interest is the best way to grow your account size, because you must remember that the minute you grow your account by 30%, you need to know that at that point, the 1% that you were risking is not the same as when you had your initial deposit. It increases gradually. So you need to understand the movements that you will basically grow your account over time. So understand that Nasdaq, trading Nasdaq is very much volatile, and it's not a get rich quick scheme. And also understand Forex trading needs discipline. As much as you have your careers or you are in school, you have discipline that you need to do your homework. Do your homework as well in Forex trading. Don't treat Forex trading like a hobby. Turn it into a career. Turn it into a full-time career, because we have members that have actually turned it into a full-time career. Thank you guys for tuning in. It's your boy Ofentse Ledwaba. I will always try to bring the most valuable information. Comment below for other topics that you guys would like to see. Thank you guys for tuning in. Please do not forget to click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I post new video. This is the only Forex education you've been looking for. Visit our website and find out more about us. Stay connected with us. Click on the social media links and follow us. Thank you for tuning in. It's your boy Ofentse Ledwaba. See you in the next video.